So welcome to the channel. So this is just be a quick brief video. I think this is part 2 of the video I've sent uploaded around about a week ago. I think it was 1 week ago, and that was talking about the cars. These cars were ones I owned around about Jan 2023. So I'm just trying to give a brief description of what I had then. So that whole lineup's changed. So starting from, let's start, the E46 M3 is still here, the Mini's still here. At that time I had the I didn't have the Micro then. Micro I did have, but that got sold, so I stopped using it as a daily. Then what happened is I had the what was the other one? E36, the Alpine white wine saloon. So that, there's a story about that, but that video will be posted. So that ended up getting sold, or something happened. And then so the current lineup, around about last week I was daily driving a Suzuki Swift for around about a year. So I bought it in April, and that was used as doing deliveries and going to work and going to London and usual stuff. So that got changed. Not getting changed. I spent a good amount of money on that car. Then there's a video which is coming about it, all details about the car, what I do, what's my opinion on the car. I think that will come out in the next week. I might even put it out next week, because my idea is just to do a video every week. I got enough content, but I think I want to get more people engaged and like and follow and subscribe. But I also need to make sure I have enough content every week. Try to push it out. I might eventually start pushing it 2 a week, but I think that I have to wait until I'm just improving with editing, everything like that. So yeah, so that was Swift might drop next week when I get some time to edit it. So yeah, the E46 M3 is still here. There's a bit of a story on that, where rod bearings were done and vanos was done. A few details about that will be told about. And then the Mini, I think, tried gear linkage came off, so that's why I bought the Swift. But the Swift went around about last Monday. Obviously, in the details of the Swift, I'll explain video on the Swift. I'll explain what are the losses, normal times. But then the question is going to be, what am I drailing? I'm currently in the car right now, but that video I'm very, very quiet about. So I know some people are going to drop me a message, ask, what car you got? I was like, yeah, you'll find out in a week or two, when I could be asked to freaking sorry language on his subscribe. But so that video will come up in 2 weeks time, and I already done a video on it. I done what issues with the car, what are my future mods already. So when I did that one session, I did all 3 videos. I then already got some mods for it. So, and already done, at the moment of this video coming out, I've done 2 mods have already been done. So I've got a 3rd one which needs to be fitted. I think I might do a 4th mod, because that could be quickly done. But yeah, no, I need to go back to work. I need to go to work now. So I did a video in the car, something different, and follow, subscribe, like, comment, good or bad. Constructive criticism is accepted. But yeah, cheers. Hope you have a blessed day and look after yourself, everyone. And yeah, if you're on Insta, Mowgli_Smurf, if you want to follow. And yeah, found blessed.